Hello students, today we are going to start new chapter, that is decimal fractions. What are decimal fractions? Listen carefully. All the fractions bearing denominators 10, 100, 1000, etc. For example, 14 upon 10, 2 upon 100, 175 upon 1000, where the denominators are 10, 100 and 1000. All these fractions are called decimal fractions. And the number which are written in the form of decimal is known as decimal numbers. For example, let us take this first question only, 14 upon 10. 14 upon 10 is written like 1.4 in decimal. This you have already learnt in class 5 also. So the easiest way to put decimal is count the number of zeros. If 1 0 is there, you have to leave one place and then put the decimal. So here 1 0 is there. So from right side, let us take one place and then put the decimals. And same here, if 2 upon 100 is there, so how many places, after how many places we will put the decimal? 1, 2 places. But here we have only one place. So for the other we will put 0 here. Now the decimal will be 0.02. I hope this is clear. Now I'll tell you what decimal is. A decimal number has two parts. For example, I have written 7.45. So this part of the decimal number is known as whole part because it is not divided into various parts. It is 7 and is read by 7 on. And this 0.45, it is decimal part. Okay, and we always read this number like 7.45. Never read it like 7.45. It is always 7.45. Why? Because the value after this goes on decreasing. This is 4 tenths. This is 5 hundredths. Now I'll tell you about the place values. Place value chart. So this will make you clear how you have to write the decimal numbers. So first of all, let us put a decimal here. Now on the right side of the decimal, all the decimal numbers will be there. Like the first one, closest to decimal will be tenths, then it will be hundredths, then it will be thousands. Okay, and the left hand side, it will be ones, tens and hundred. So all the numbers write to the decimal place or the decimal numbers, and to the left are the whole numbers. For example, I have written a number 205.648. So the place value of 6 is 6 tenths, means 6 upon 10. 4 hundredths means 4 upon 100, and this means 8 upon 1000. This one is decimal. Now this 5 ones is 5 only, and the place value of 2 here is 200. Place value of 0, the value is 0, otherwise it is at the place of tens, and this 5 ones is 5 only. 5 ones are 5. So these are the different place values in a decimal number. So this 200 plus 0 plus 5 plus point, so this one is decimal. So when we write it in expanded form, suppose this is 205.648. If we need to write this in expanded form, we can write it 200 plus, there is no need to write 0 here, we can write here 5 only, because 0 no value is here, plus this is 6 upon 10 plus 4 upon 100 and plus 8 upon 1000. So this was how you can write a decimal numbers in the place value chart, and from the place value chart you can know that how the expanded form of a decimal is written. Now I'll tell you how to write the short form of decimal number. Suppose I am given a number 900 plus 40 plus 3 plus 8 upon 10 plus 5 upon 100 plus 6 upon 1000. So I have to write this number in short form. 900 plus 40 plus 3 means it is 943, because here tens is there, so decimal number start from here. This is 10, 100, 1000. Now bachis, say it carefully, as the denominators are in sequence, 10, 100, 1000, next will be 10,000. So you need to write the decimal number like this. It's quite easy. Let us take one more example. Suppose I have written 70 plus 2 plus 4 upon 10 plus 8 upon 1000. Now check it carefully. This is 70 plus 2, so 72 is here. Decimal number start from here, so we will write decimal. Now 10 is here, but is missing here. Hundreds is missing. So this is 4 upon 10s. So hundreds place is missing. So in place of that hundreds place, we will put 0. And 8 upon 1000, it will be like this. So 10, 100 and 1000. So this is the compact form or short form of the decimal number. And I hope this is quite clear.